Experts indicate that if Kia successfully fulfills the promises of performance and affordability associated with the Tasman, it might even attract loyal customers from established brands. This development could lead to a notable shift in brand loyalty. The Tasman aspires to merge rugged functionality with stylish aesthetics, potentially appealing to a diverse audience, from everyday commuters to weekend adventurers. Its unique offerings could significantly disrupt the automotive market. With a payload capacity of around 2,000 pounds, the Tasman is engineered for versatility, making it ideal for both daily commutes and heavy-duty tasks. This blend of features challenges conventional perceptions of pickup trucks. The Tasman's aerodynamic design enhances fuel efficiency and reduces drag, distinguishing it from typical mid-sized trucks that often overlook such features. This quality particularly appeals to environmentally conscious consumers. Kia's collaboration with local Australian artists and distinctive styling reflects a strong commitment to the Australian market, potentially positioning the Tasman as a favored choice for truck buyers in the region. Powered by a robust 2.2L turbo diesel engine, the Tasman delivers nearly 200 horsepower, making it effective for both daily travel and outdoor escapades. The Tasman's selectable driving modes boost its adaptability across various terrains such as mud, sand, and snow, making it perfect for off-road enthusiasts. This feature is particularly vital for those who seek outdoor adventures. Kia has equipped the Tasman with a 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine, generating 198 horsepower and impressive torque. This setup ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience. The Tasman boasts a robust body-on-frame chassis and a four-wheel drive system, providing the durability needed to tackle challenging terrains. This makes it an excellent option for adventurous drivers. With its skid plates, the Tasman offers essential protection for off-road activities, safeguarding critical components from rocks and debris. This feature significantly enhances the truck's durability during rugged use. Inside the Tasman, a tech-savvy and luxurious interior awaits, complete with a 15-inch touchscreen and plush seating. This design prioritizes comfort and modern conveniences for all passengers. As Kia enters the pickup market, major competitors like Ford and Toyota are responding to the growing pressure to enhance their offerings, prompted by the Tasman's intriguing appeal. In this competitive landscape, Kia positions the Tasman not only as a vehicle but as a reimagined vision of a mid-sized pickup truck. The Tasman's distinctive design characteristics, including a muscular profile and prominent LED lighting, create a strong road presence while ensuring practicality for off-road adventures. Kia's strategy encompasses extensive customization options for the Tasman, allowing buyers to tailor their trucks according to personal preferences and lifestyles. The versatility of the Tasman's customization options, including functional add-ons and accessory packages, caters to various needs, from off-road excursions to urban driving. This flexibility broadens its appeal. Kia has crafted the Tasman's interior to resemble that of a luxury SUV, featuring a spacious cabin and high-tech amenities like a 15-inch touchscreen. This modern design targets tech-savvy consumers who value comfort and functionality. Kia's competitive strategy positions the Tasman as a compelling alternative to established brands like Ford and Toyota, aiming to disrupt the mid-sized truck segment with affordable yet advanced features. While the Ford Ranger and Toyota Hilux are known for their reliability, Kia's contemporary design and technology could appeal to consumers seeking features beyond the conventional. Kia's entry into the pickup market with the Tasman represents a bold move that disrupts traditional automotive norms, emphasizing value and innovation. This strategy is drawing the attention of potential new customers. As competition intensifies between Kia's Tasman and established players like the Ranger and Hilux, Kia seeks long-term success in a market historically dominated by traditional automakers. The landscape of pickup trucks is evolving.